Yo, Tuesday, December 23rd. News, not really any news. Market open. Pre-market dropped into this new week CE, as well as this 4 hour. To push its way up, taking London and Asia high on both NQ and ES. We have not taken this high on NQ, although ES has, and we have made this big SMT below here to begin the day at 9:30. So I'll just mark that out. But we'll probably wait till 10 a.m. looking to take this buy side as our target. Now we're in this new week on ES, so of course that could give us a reaction to go down. I'm just going to be patient and wait for the market to give us some sort of confluence. Mark out this 4 hour order block and this 2 hour. 4 hour order block plus 2 hour. So yeah, it's another new week right here. Another 4 hour down there. Sell side targets and shit. So we also have buy side right here. And of course the relative equal highs you made a long time ago. Extended throughout. So we'll have to see how price reacts. So 10 a.m. came. We did not make a market structure shift on the 1 hour or the 4 hour. And we are continuing our way down. So that doesn't make, that's not that bad. Shut up, bro. That doesn't make that bad of sense. That makes sense, okay? I'm trying to fucking say. Holy shit. We're reaching OTE of this range on the 15. But if we are to go on the higher time frame, we if we look at the higher time frame, we see that this this 4 hour fair value gap is near a discount of this range, so I mean we could still end up pushing lower here. Of course we have that 2 hour, two different SMTs. See how price wants to react. If you want to break lower and close through this range, taking sell side possibly. Sorry. We could do that, or we could respect the range and push up. Alright, so I'm thinking about taking this trade. ES and Q both tapped off of these equilibrium or this discount ranges. Got 4 hour order block above. We do have the new week opening up below, so it's a little bit tricky. But we'll take it just up to this high, I think. Shit, fuck it, whatever, bro. wait until this closes. I'll set my limit and then enter the trade. Acons. One tick above, I guess. So yeah, we'll keep this trade in play. See if price wants to tap us in or not. Okay, what the fuck? Stupid ass shit, bro. We'll see how price wants to do some shit. Or not. We didn't make that 15-minute shift. 1 hour didn't make it. This 3-minute could give us a reaction to take us, but I believe that 5-minute is stronger than the 3 minutes. So, and plus ES is pushing already up past the 3 minutes. So, yeah, whatever. All right, so this trade ended up hitting pretty good. I exited right here before we actually took full profits because we're kind of edging it, and that's just kind of annoying. So, you know, I'd rather just take it out. I don't really care. This was the trade though. Let's go to our stats. Yeah, like 1.3. So 2,000 now. Could pass our account. I don't know. Whatever. These have been some decent trades recently. Let's see if we end up tapping full TP, aligning with this 4 hour on ES. Doesn't look bad. Gonna go ahead and log out of this account so I don't make any trades. But yeah, you see how we're kind of edging this bullshit, and I don't really want to see a retracement. I'm just gonna exit out. So it's good that I exited out. I'm proud of myself for that. But yeah, that's the trade. So, well, let me review. So we had our high time frame PD rate tap around 8. After this, we ended up pushing up, although we didn't make any market structure shift on at 10 a.m. with the 1 hour. The 15-minute did push up and then retraced into OTE of the range. We aligned this with ES, which retraced to discount of the 62% level. We then wait for some sort of market structure shift from the lower time frame, and we get one on the 5-minute. So we enter right here with our limit order. We get a very good fill. I put my stop loss more so at a 1-to-1, even though it's likely a 1-to-2. Didn't really have any drawdown this trade, which is good, but we take our target right there at that high. Price ends up pushing up. I trail the break even around here just because this is a intermediate term low that tapped into this 5-minute order block. After we inverse this 5-minute gap right here, I trail my stop loss even higher. Once we get up to our TP range, I want to see a quick displacement through this since ES took this high before NQ did, and you know, had a possibility of retracing before tapping the 4 hour. So I end up exiting in profits up here instead of waiting for full TP, since, you know, why the fuck would you wait for full TP, bro? Just take profits. All right, that's a trade thing.